Today we're making these super flavorful but light as air cookies. So yummy, so delicious, so easy. Right, today we're making Amaretto Ricotta Cookies. Beautiful almond flavor throughout and a super moist, light, fluffy cookie. Yes, please. For a full copy of today's recipe, check us out on Facebook at Poppy's Cucina, or just wait till the end of the video, you're gonna find it right there. So let's do this, oh yeah. Alrighty, so the first thing you want to do is you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then in a large bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar along with half a cup of softened unsalted butter. All right, so now you're going to cream this together so it's all nice, smooth, creamy, and a little fluffy. Fluffy makes a difference. And then you're going to add 1 cup of whole milk ricotta, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of amaretto, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now you're going to mix this all together so it's all nice, smooth, and creamy. And then lastly, you're going to add your 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now mix it in so you have a nice, smooth dough. Just like that, now we're ready to portion. So you're going to want to portion 1 tablespoon, or if you have one of these handy-dandy cookie scoops, this works great. So we're going to scoop it out. Put it right on the parchment paper. So we have a parchment lined baking sheet. And then we're going to top it with some almonds and press them on. Just like that. Isn't that cute? Such a cute little cookie. All right, so now we're going to do the rest. Just like that. And now they're ready for the oven. So into your preheated 350 degree oven, they're going to go for just about 12 to 15 minutes. You can see they're going to flatten out a little bit. They're really not going to get too much color on top, but just give one a flip over. It should have a nice light golden brown on the bottom. All right, so start checking after 12 minutes. These cook quick. Yum. And just about 13 minutes later, they're done. Look how cute they are. You see them? And they have a little golding around the edges. That's when you know they're done. All right, so we're going to allow these to cool on the tray for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then we're going to put them on a cooling rack and allow them to cool for about an hour. And they're going to be ready to chow down. Oh my gosh, they look so good. I can't wait. Buon appetito. Oh. Just slightly crispy on the outside, but then you have this super moist, airy, fluffy cookie. It just melts in your mouth. Get that beautiful amaretto flavor throughout, then top with those crunchy almonds. These are perfect. And they're not even that sweet. You could top them with powdered sugar, but you really don't need to because these are amazing. You got to try this recipe, and if you do, let us know. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Mwah.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poppy's Cucina. Thanks!
Oh God. I need my coffee. Actually, scratch that. I need that cocktail. Let's do it. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, so for today's Quake, Rattle, and Roll, we had an earthquake last week in Jersey. Crazy. All right, so we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of white rum. Then we're going to do 1 ounce of melon liqueur. Half ounce of limoncello. Just a splash of blue curacao. Then we're going to do 2 ounces of pineapple juice. We're going to get this good shaky, and we pour. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That's a cool looking drink. Let's give it a try. Yum. Salute. This is so good. I can't even tell you. You get the pineapple, you get the melon, you get the hints of the limoncello. Oh, but it's so smooth that you don't taste any of the booze. That's dangerous. So if you try this drink, let us know. If you try those incredible Amaretto Ricotta cookies, you will not regret them. And you can freeze them up to 3 months. So come on, make them now because it makes a lot. It makes like almost 50. You're going to love them. Let us know that too. Keep those suggestions coming. We'll see you again soon. Love you guys so much. Mwah.